Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I am showing you an update for the Ezinomatic plugin that rolled out recently. So let me show you something. So here on EzineArticles, if we check on the bottom part of the article, we will see that there are actually two parts of the article. The article content, which is until this part, so from here up, and from here down is the article resource that is highlighted right now. And the Ezinomatic plugin was able until now to extract only the article content. However, I updated it now and it is also able to extract the article resource part. Here in this part, the authors of the EzineArticles articles are actually adding some resources and some comments from their part. And as you can see also in this case, this is if you enjoyed this little article, so he is adding some comments, and other authors might add also the resources from where they got the inspiration to write the article. So if you want to include also this part in the imported content using the Ezinomatic plugin, you will have to check the also get article resource section checkbox. So this is the checkbox you will need to check if you want to get also this section. So let me show you by creating a simple importing rule. Only one post, and let us go ahead and check this checkbox. Now let's save settings and let's check our site. It is empty, and if we run importing in the plugin, so now importing runs, and when the green check mark appears, importing has finished successfully. So this is the exact same article as I showed here. And you will see that that's all I have to say. If you enjoyed this nice little article, this part is also included. Now let me uncheck this, save settings, and delete and re-import content. So I deleted the old post that I imported and re-imported it. And if I refresh this, the article resource section disappeared. So this is how you will be able to get also the article resource section content for Ezinomatic plugin imported content from EzineArticles by checking the also get article resource section checkbox from importing rule settings. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this update will be helpful for you guys. And until next time, please subscribe, because I really create helpful videos and tutorials and release them each day at 7 p.m. GMT. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.